Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be learning how to do this origami snowflakes. For this I'll be taking A4 size sheet of paper and I'll be cutting into a proper square by folding it like this. Now cut this rectangle piece to create an exact square. Now fold this triangle into half. Now divide this space into half. Just pinch it, that will be enough. Now fold this area into half again. Now fold this area into half one more time. Now we have created 3 points over here. Lift the flap exactly from this center point and pass it through the center point here. Just we have created 3 points, this point, and make a crease. Now fold another flap over that. Align it neatly and make the crease. Turn the model, fold the triangle down, make a crease and cut this portion. This is the simple method to cut a hexagon from a square. Fold this flap into half by aligning to the center crease. Open the flap and repeat the same thing for all the 6 sides. Now the pre-creasing is done and collapse the model as shown. You are creating a rabbit ear like this on all the 6 sides. Open the flap as a cone shape and flatten it as shown. Now bring 2 sides to the center crease. Now turn the model and fold this triangle to the center point and make a sharp crease. Press it firmly and make a crease that will be helpful for your next step. Now lift the flap and do the petal folding by bringing 2 sides to the center crease. This is called petal folding. Open up the previous triangle Repeat the same step for all the 6 sides. Now your model will look like this. Fold the triangle towards outside as shown. Repeat the same thing for all the sides. Now turn the model. Fold down this triangle and lift the flap like this and collapse the model as shown. Repeat the same thing for all the flaps. Now open this flap and squash it down. Repeat the same thing for all the sides. Pull this flap carefully and place it above the arrow-shaped flap. Repeat the same thing for all the flaps. Now the model will look like this. Now only the final round is pending. Bring these 2 sides to the center crease. Finish it neatly in the corners. Repeat the same thing for all the sides. For more origami Christmas projects, the links are given below in the description box. Please do check them. Origami snowflakes is done. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.